Hello guys, this is sketching the graph of a trig function with a multiplication outside. I'm gonna start coloring this with a multiplication outside, like this, and an addition inside, just like this. So that's how you know when you have things outside or inside or both. So I'm gonna do the outside part first because that's easier. So notice that you are multiplying by 5/2 whatever you get from your trig function. So you're going to do 5/2 times 0, that's the first one. 5/2 times 1, so that is 5/2. The next one is 0. 5/2 times minus 1 is minus 5/2. And 5/2 times 0 is 0. Right, that was the first one. Now let's do, that was the outside part. Let's do the inside part. You're subtracting what you have inside your trig function by pi. So what you're gonna do is write what you have inside, that is x minus pi, and you're going to equal that to your original input. So x minus pi equals 0. So we want to find out what is the value of x that makes the original input. So we're going to solve this equation. That will be 0 plus pi. That means that x equals pi. That was the first one. Let's do the second one. X minus pi equals 1/2 of pi. Then x equals 1/2 of pi plus pi. That makes x equal to 3/2 of pi. All right. The third one, x minus pi equals pi. Then x equals pi plus pi. That means that x equals 2 pi, right? All right. Then x minus pi equals 3/2 of pi. Then x equals 3/2 of pi plus pi. That means that x equals 5/2 of pi. And finally, x minus pi equals 2 pi. Then x equals 2 pi plus pi. That means that x equals 3 pi. All right, so our inputs and outputs, the coordinates of the graph of this function will be those in the extremes of the table. The first one will be pi, comma 0. The other point will be 3/2 of pi, comma 5/2, and so on. So these are going to be our coordinates. So let me go to Alex and graph just that. Pi, comma 0. Then 3/2 of pi, comma 5/2. 3/2 is in here, comma 5/2 is 2.5, right? Then 2 pi, comma 0. Then 5/2, that is right over here, comma minus 5/2, that is over here, and 3 pi, comma 0. Alex, to the graph and check. Thank you.